sa inyo, BBB. Ba?
Sige po, ano yun?
Tatlong B.
Hindi gandang hari yan. Okay. BBB.
At saka hindi rin BBM. Okay, BBB.
Bahay para sa bagong bayani.
Yun ganda yan.
Yun ang
panalo.
Simply put, ito yung housing loan na pwedeng ipa-avail namin sa kanila. Basta sila mga overseas Filipinos na may live overseas contract or work abroad, plus Filipino citizen sila and may land bank account, maski na nandun pa sila abroad, pwede silang mag-apply para sa housing loan. Okay? Ang purpose nitong loan na ito ay pwedeng purchase ng residential lot, condominium, o townhomes, no?
Opo.
O kaya construction, improvement, and renovation ng existing unit nila. Or refinancing, assumption of existing mortgage loan with ita-take out namin. Pwede rin 'yon. Okay? Ang loan amount is minimum of 500,000 and then pwedeng mas malaki yan.
Maximum.
Ang maximum is depende na sa coverage nung pwede nilang na collateral at saka dun sa capacity to pay nila based on annual amortization ng loan.
Right.
Of course, nandyan yung kailangan may 20% equity sila na sarili na. 80% ang i-finance.
Okay.
Ang maganda rito is may choice sila ng tenor or term. Pwedeng 1 year, 2 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years. May maximum pa nga na 20 years.
Yung payment scheme. Yung
payment term.
Payment terms.
Ngayon, ang rates niyan is anywhere from 9% hanggang 11.5% thereabouts. Habang humahaba, siyempre, lalaki ng konting interest. Okay? Pero yan yung sa housing.
Yan yung sa housing. What other services, products that you have na para sa mga OFs?
Okay, ito medyo mas recent lang ito. Nung August 1, 2011, merong MOA na pinirmahan ang Land Bank at ang Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, OWA.
OWA, okay.
Nag-set up ang OWA ng 2 billion fund.
Yes po.
Na i-administer at tutulungan ng Land Bank na ipahiram, okay, sa mga overseas Filipinos na babalik na natapos na yung stint nila o kontrata
yung pauwi na.
It's more like a reintegration program.
So, precisely, natumbok mo, ang talagang pangalan niya is Overseas Filipinos Reintegration Program.
Okay.
Okay? At yan, joint project namin ni OWA together with Land Bank of the Philippines.
When you say joint project, ibig sabihin, they could only avail of it basta member sila ng OWA. Ang main purpose niyan talaga is encourage sila to invest in the Philippines. Apo.
And to provide na magkaroon sila ng enterprise and investment opportunities pagbalik nila sa opisina. Okay? Ngayon, tama ka. Ang eligible dyan, kung tutuusin mo, overseas Filipinos certified by OWA na may membership sa OWA.
Apo.
Active. Tapos, required yan na magkaroon sila ng capacity building training na i-attend nila. Nila o nung
pamilya.
Bibigyan nila ng SPA na mag-process at maglalakad ng loan, mas kinahan dito pa sila.
Okay.
Special powers attorney.
Yes, SPA. Pwede nilang i-anticipate yan 1 or 1.5 years ahead, pero lumalakad na ngayon yung pag-process at kasi magkakaroon pa ng ng business case and study. Okay? So, kung sino yung working abroad or about to leave, depende, SPA dapat yan ang in favor of the legal spouse, if married, parents, or children of legal age, no?
Sir, yung sino pwede mag-avail? Di ba kailangan may minimum deposit or kailangan active ka mag-deposit?
Hindi, active ka lang na
OWA member.
OWA lang, ha? Yun lang ang requirement.
Oo. Ngayon, meron pang ibang yan pagka nag-apply ka na. Yun ang medyo kailangan maintindihan nila.
Okay, sige.
Merong eligible projects na pwedeng mag-qualify doon sa uutangin nila. Okay? kailangan siya viable project na may confirmed market na sila or purchase order or some sort of a business study.
Opo.
Na merong
magiging
cash flow.
successful talaga yung venture.
Para ma-ensure. Pero tuturuan sila niyan kasi dun sa mga yon dapat maka-generate man lang na net income ng 10,000 monthly or up dun sa papasukin nilang mga project.
Para pangbayad sa...
Well, among others, no? Kasi kung uutang ka, 1,000 a month lang kikitain. Wala ka rin mauutang. Okay. Pero, pwede yung loan purpose can be working capital o fixed asset acquisition na gagamitin mo sa business.
Opo.
Okay? Of course, andyan ulit yung 20% ang isa-set up nila na minimum equity nila. And then, yung of the total project cost, no? And then yung loan pwedeng 80% of the total project cost. Ngayon yung project will be part of the study na i-present nila. Ang loanable amount anywhere from 300,000 to a maximum of 2 million.
So, pwede yun sa mga franchising,
depende yan sa project needs at equity participation of the borrower and also of the project na inaano nila.
Sige. Magbe-break muna tayo. So, kung meron na po kayong katanungan, pakitext na po sa 4001 or mag-post na lang po kayo sa Facebook page ng FEME or sa Filipino Rhythm Dubai 103.8. Pinag-usapan po natin tong sa land bank kasi nga gusto natin kalayaan sa kahirapan, kalayaan sa magkaroon na tayo ng financial freedom. Kaya ito po pinag-usapan na kaya nandito po yung land bank. So, babalik po kami.
You always look for ways to manage your monthly expenses and save money whenever possible. Standard Chartered credit cards offer you great financial benefits at lower interest rates. Enjoy 0% interest for 6 months on credit card balance transfers or make large purchases and get the freedom to pay back in easy installments. Call 600-522-88 to benefit from easy loan and installment plans from your Standard Chartered credit cards. Terms and conditions apply.
This morning on the Business Breakfast. The Business.
Marius Maratheftis, the head of regional research, Western Hemisphere, Standard Chartered Bank.
The solution in Europe needs to involve several factors. First, we need to see the European Central Bank slashing interest rates. Second, we need to see the European Central Bank flooding the market with liquidity. And third, we need to see higher inflation. Eurozone economies are emerging market economies because they cannot borrow in their own currency. They borrow in foreign currency, and this is what emerging markets do.
The Banter.
Having had you on the phone virtually every week for 3.5 years, Jeff, I mean, 3.5 years ago, I knew really nothing about gold, really, or what drove it and affected the price.
First of all, let me say, join the club. I've been in the gold market for 35 years and I still haven't got a clue, really.
And tomorrow,
we're going to find out the real cost of living in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, speaking to Mercer about their annual cost of living survey.
The UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast, featuring Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6 with Anantara Hotels, BMW Group Importers, and BASF.
Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Alansari Exchange. Depositing your labor guarantees just became quicker with Alansari Exchange.
Kayo pa yung nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Sa mga nag-tune in pa lang ngayon, ang topic po natin ay mabuhay ang kalayaan. At nandito po, yung first guest natin is the Group Head of Global Banking of OF Remittance Group of the Land Bank of the Philippines, Mr. Roberto Rivi Vergara. Sir, tuloy natin yung in-explain mong program about this, yung 300,000 to 2 million na pwedeng utangin, tapos ano yung mga criteria uli?
Okay. Well, yun ang range na pwede nilang utangin, ano? At etong maganda rito, ang interest rate, short-term loan at term loan, 7.5% per annum fixed for the duration of the loan.
So fixed siya.
Pero kailangan talaga, in other words, talagang may project sila.
Sustainable dapat.
Sustainable. Ngayon, ito pa yung loan repayment, siyempre, ibe-base yan dun sa cash flow nila.
Opo.
So, kung kailangan ng more than 1 year, isa-stretch yan para at least hindi naman mabigat sa kanila yung babayaran nila.
O kasi nag-uumpisa pala ka mo, yung especially the first year.
Right. Yung short-term loan, kung short-term loan lang talaga gusto nila, maximum of 1 year. Pero kung term loan, anywhere from 1 year hanggang 7 years. At kung 7 years siya at qualified talaga yung project, meron pang 2 years na grace period on principal. So talaga makakabuelo ka dun sa maluwag anuhin. Okay? Tapos, yung binabanggit ko kanina, yun ngang yung loan security, any mortgageable asset para makatulong dun sa aside dun sa project viability or any acceptable na loan security, acceptable by BSP definition, Okay. Ngayon, yung processing requirements, para lang alam nila, ihanda nila, kailangan may certification from OWA that yung gustong humiram bona fide overseas worker, complete, and then kung sino man siya o yung under the SPA ang i-authorize niya, kailangan kumpletuhin yung enterprise development training. Yun dun sila tinatrain.
Okay.
Na binibigay
that makes it different from the other programs.
Yes, may support para sa capability building. Kumbaga.
Saan binibigay yun? Sa Pilipinas?
Sa Pilipinas. Kaya SPA mo yung tao.
Kasi ang program na to, if I understood it right, ito yung mga pauwi na. Kaya reintegration Kaya sa Pilipinas talaga ibibigay yung training.
Ngayon, kung gusto mo lang palakarin nga yung loan, mag-execute ka ng SPA dun sa, alam mo, kasama mo dun sa project. Na kamag-anak mo, anak mo, tatay o nanay mo, spouse mo, para sila na mag-training na muna at mapalakad na
so that pagdating mo doon, umaandar na
or malapit ng grant or ginagawa na, no?
Maiba po ako, Sir V, anong mga business
typical
projects na naging successful?
Merong mga yan, karamihan sa kanila, doon sa hometown nila or region nila. Tinitignan nila yung strength nung lugar na yon. Anong viable na agricultural product. For example, nagiging maganda ngayon ang coconut water.
Yes.
Okay?
We kahit sa amin sa bahay.
Even the exports ngayon galing sa Pilipinas, tumataas na. Na-notice nila.
Daddy Blue, an idea for you.
At saka, ang coconut water, kung walang dextrose, nagagamit yan sa sa sakit, yung...
Gusto ko lang tanong kay Mr. na, meron ba kayong mga handang mga project studies na kung wala silang talagang idea,
you can guide them.
Yung enterprise development training, meron ng guidelines
para may menu na yan, mamili na lang sila.
Hindi naman spoon-fed, kung may guidelines sila paano gagawin yung
like they can choose.
Yes.
Interesting.
Oo.
Dito sa, di ba nabanggit mo na umikot ka na sa buong Middle East, sa anong bansa or saan malakas na nag-aabil nitong programa?
Sa ngayon, hindi ko pa ma-pinpoint kung saan malakas. Pero ang masasabi ko sa iyo is to date, mula noong August 1, 2011,
Opo.
ang total loan releases na under this program, 113 million na.
Okay.
Okay. Assuming maximum yung
kinuha
2 million. At the very least,
60 na yata. Ilan na ba yan?
113 divided by 2.
Mat to.
Ay, Daddy Blue.
Mga 60.
60, tama.
Siya ang aming account.
Pero kasi bago pa lang August 2011
That just goes to show na ito, marami ring natutulungan at maraming nakaka-avail na.
Ang galing. So, okay, sa mga nag-tune pa lang ngayon, basta mag-member lang kayo ng OWA.
Well, dapat ituloy nila yung membership nila.
So, actually, nakita ko sa diniscuss ngayon, tugmang-tugma, yung sa mga katanungan natin, narinig ko dito na ano ang mangyayari sa kanila pagkatapos dito.
Exactly.
Kasi pag-uwi sa Pilipinas, ano daw tulong ng government para sa kanila?
Here it is.
Ito.
In front of you. And
at meron akong practical na suggestion sa kanila. Doon sa mga paumpisa pa lang rito na meron pa silang yung
mahaba-haba pa.
Oo. Okay. Ang suggestion ko sa kanila, mag-iwan sila ng Land Bank ATM card sa beneficiary nila.
Okay.
Para doon nila i-remit yung kailangan ng beneficiary sa Pinas.
Opo.
Pero sila rin mismo, pwede kong mamaya siguro pwede mong ibigay yung contact number at ni Vlad Columbano. No?
Bibigay natin kasi may mga nag-text na kung paano maging member
Yan. Okay. Ang dyan is kumuha rin sila ng sarili nilang ATM account kay Vlad. He will help them open it in Manila at bibigyan na sila ng account number.